If you're wondering how to stay safe online, here are 10 tips to help you. Use strong, unique passwords. Create strong, complex passwords for your online accounts, avoiding easily guessable information like your name or birthday. Consider using a reputable password manager to generate and securely store these complex passwords. Enable two-factor authentication. Whenever possible, activate two-factor authentication on your online accounts. This added layer of security requires you to enter a one-time code sent to your mobile device or email, enhancing your account's protection. Beware of phishing scams. Be cautious of unsolicited emails, messages, or links, particularly if they request personal or financial information. Phishing emails often appear legitimate but aim to steal your data. Verify the authenticity of such requests through official channels. Update software regularly. Keep your operating system, antivirus software, browsers, and applications up to date. Installing the latest security patches and updates is essential to safeguard against vulnerabilities. Use secure Wi-Fi networks. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks for sensitive activities like online banking or shopping. If necessary, employ a virtual private network to encrypt your internet connection and bolster security. Practice safe social media habits. Exercise caution with the information you share on social media platforms. Avoid disclosing personal details that cybercriminals could exploit for identity theft or fraud. Adjust privacy settings to control who can access your posts and information. Educate yourself on online threats. Stay informed about common online threats such as malware, ransomware, and phishing attacks. Knowledge is a potent defense against these risks. Regularly back up your data. Routinely back up crucial data and files to an external device or secure cloud service. This ensures you can recover your data in the event of data loss or ransomware attack. Use secure websites (HTTPS) when sharing sensitive information like credit card details. Verify that a website is secure by checking for the padlock icon and HTTPS in the URL. Secure websites encrypt your data during transmission, adding an extra layer of protection. Be wary of suspicious links and downloads. Exercise caution when encountering links or downloading attachments from untrusted sources. These can harbor malware. Always verify the source before clicking or downloading to mitigate potential security threats. Online safety is an ongoing process, so stay vigilant. Practice good online hygiene and educate yourself about emerging threats. This will protect your personal and financial information while enjoying a secure online experience. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next video.